Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials and signing in. Log into the Epfo employer portal with the establishment code and admin credentials. This lets you access contribution records. Once logged in, locate the specific member or account and open the contribution history. This identifies the employer share entries you want removed. Make sure you have the canceled challan or payment proof handy because you will need to reference it exactly when initiating the removal request. Now you create the removal request step by step. Select the contribution correction option and pick the employer share entries to remove. Input exact PF account numbers and dates because Epfo matches these strictly. Attach the canceled challan or bank reversal advice and your signed authorization. Without these, the request gets rejected. Once done, preview the form, check totals, and submit. Expect a verification queue. Epfo will cross-check attachments and finish by monitoring and reconciling. After submission, track the request in request history and note the reference number. Once approved, verify the ledger reflects the removed employer share and update payroll records. If Epfo rejects it, read the rejection comments, correct the specific issue, and resubmit immediately. Don't recreate the whole request. Troubleshooting tip. If status stalls beyond 10 working days, escalate to the employer help desk with your reference number and attached proofs to prompt manual review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.